This is Miss Matlock. I was realizing when I read the rubric that I left out something, and that was the average rate of change in the intervals. So for the interval of decrease, the average rate of change is -4 feet per second because it's going down a -4 feet slope. When it's interval of increase, it's positive, so it's a 4 feet per second increase. In the graph, we see this here because it goes from 4 feet to 0 feet in a matter of 1 second, and then does the same thing when going up from 9 to 10 in 1 second. So that would illustrate 4 feet in 1 second. And then it does it again at 11 and 12, 12 and 13, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 24 and 25, 35, 36, 36, and 37. And then on the piecewise function, we see it because this 4 represents the slope, and when you multiply it out, it equals -4x, so that'd be a -4 slope, and then you get -4 feet per second. And then on this one, it's 4, so times x is 4x, it's +4 at +4 feet per second. So the average rate of change for each interval of increase is 4 feet per second, and the average interval of decrease is -4 feet per second.